Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I treat my dry and damaged hair. I have tried lots of different products to help treat my dry hair, but nothing has compared to the It's a 10 products, so these are by far my favorite. I know it's not good for your hair at all, but I am one of those people who have to wash my hair every single day, otherwise I just don't feel clean. So these products really help keep my hair moisturized and don't dry my hair out. So the very first product I'm going to use is this It's a 10 Potion 10 Miracle Repair Shampoo. This product is very safe on color treated hair. It gently cleanses and detangles. It's really suitable for any type of hair. I also feel like this really enhances the body of my hair and the shine of my hair. After I've washed my hair, I like to use the It's a 10 5-minute hair repair for blondes. So this is specifically for my hair color. I honestly notice a huge difference when I use this product and when I don't use this product. Being a blonde, it's really hard to keep your hair healthy because you're constantly putting harsh chemicals on your hair to keep it vibrant and to keep it from going brassy. So for me, this is the perfect product to really help get my hair feeling soft and silky. When I'm applying this product, I really like to focus on my ends and make sure I'm really lathering each strand of hair up really well. It recommends to leave this on for 5 minutes, and sometimes I'll even leave it on a little bit longer. It really just depends on the day and how much time I have to shower. I also try to be very gentle when I dry my hair because I know your hair is very fragile when it's wet and I don't want to break off any more pieces. As soon as my hair is towel dried, I've been using this It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In for blondes. I've actually used the original leave-in product that they carry as well, but I just started using this one for blondes and I really like it. I just like that it's a little bit more specific towards my hair color. The last thing that I've been doing to really help with my dry hair is I have been trying to blow dry my hair on a low heat, and this takes so much longer, but I notice a huge difference when I really turn down the heat on my blow dryer and take my time and really give myself a good blowout. So that really wraps up what I've been doing to treat my dry hair and my split ends and just help restore some moisture to my hair. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video.